made some progress. It's getting there. Got the radiator and shit. These fucking blue radiator hoses, I don't know how I quite feel about them yet. They might grow on me, but got a feeling them fuckers are gonna have to go. Started on a fuel line. Now I gotta put these fucking headers on. Been dreading that. Hopefully I won't have to lift the fucking engine up or nothing. Got that cross member in there, I shouldn't have to. New water pump. Brackets and shit. Decided to go with the higher mount alternator bracket just so I could plug in my factory fucking wire there. Plus that other one was awful tight on that lower radiator hose. It's fucking getting there. Yeah. It's time to stick some headers on this motherfucker and move on to the next phase. Shit.